Hi YouTubers, hi, this is sumansmjain, and on this today's video I'm bringing you a few techniques and strategies which most of us don't know, right? So how to make money from YouTube without making any videos in the year 2019, or how to make money with YouTube fast and easy in the year 2019. So let's go on and rock with the information. So you can go with the search bar, okay, and I'm just typing fitness motivation. All right. So because I like fitness range, so I like to watch more videos on fitness in order to be myself fit. So what I do is I click on fitness motivation. I can see there's plenty of views, right? You can see there is like 5.5 million views. Just 1 year, one video, it went viral. All right. And you can see there is again the other video. Just 3 days back, there is a person who have just uploaded a video, and you can see there is like 21,000 views. All right. So you might ask me a question. So when you just spoke about that you need not to make any videos, then how is that going to possible? So believe me, there is one over here which is called filters, right? So when you click on those filters, you just need to click on creative comments. When you click on creative comments, this is one way of making money without even creating videos. But yes, you need to upload the videos. How to do that? Let me explain you. You can see here just one videos, okay? Just 1 year back, this particular person has uploaded a video and it has crazy 14 million views, right? If you click on this videos, okay, I just want to show you one more thing. When you click on this videos, okay, click on this descriptions. Okay, you can see there's a lot of plenty of informations where they are selling it. Okay, they are doing an affiliate marketing with the help of ClickBank. Okay, when you click on that, you would see there is an affiliate products which they are affiliating it. All right, and you can see there's a million of views and the million of people are actually checking on this informations, and even 1% of people even buy it. You make plenty of money over there. All right, you can see there's a lot of plenty of information like crazy fitness movements, undisputed cauchemar, like this informations and all the stuff. And people who are searching out even this, they would see this particular videos. And with the license, you can see here Creative Commons attribute license, reuse allowed. So the main purpose over here which I wanted to show you here is that reuse allowed. What you can do is you can even download these videos with various softwares which you can search on Google. All right, you can download these videos, but again, yes, you need to be creative with the thumbnails which you're creating. All right, so I just want to show you this canva.com where I create plenty of the thumbnails. All right, so catchy thumbnails. You can see here there's plenty of thumbnails which I've created with the help of Canva. And if you want to know how to create the thumbnails or how to create these kind of informations, I have made a video. You can check out the below description or above this video. There is an information on how to create a thumbnail from this informations. All right, so that is one thing. All right, and the other thing over here is if you don't want one more thing which I want to show you is I'm just copying this particular channel information, going to YouTube Social Blade. Okay, this gives an accurate information. I'm just clicking on his username, okay, and they would check the account of this particular person, okay, and they would show me what exactly is this. Yes, this is the person, this is the account. I just go and click on this channel, okay, and you can see this is what the channel is all about. All right, and you can see here this person's make anywhere between $24 to $392 per day. Just people are watching his videos, and you can see he has subscribers on a daily basis. 167 people are subscribing his channel in order to check his information, and you can see every day he has about millions of views. Don't you think it's crazy, guys? And you can see here he is making anywhere between per day is making anywhere between $4 to $71. All right, so this is what the daily average is over here. For him, the day is just started, and you can see here he makes anywhere between $24 to $392, and in a month he makes anywhere between $700 to $11,000. It's damn crazy for a monthly income. It's just from one source of income, which is called YouTube. And if you can see, he is even selling different kind of affiliate offers. Even there you might be making anywhere between $10,000 to $20,000 only from this particular one video become a viral. All right, so how to do that? There's one more information which I wanted to share is we have Pexels. Okay, so even here you can download videos. Okay, there are plenty of videos, okay, which you can download for free. You can see here the photos and the videos. Okay, and what you can do is you can even download it for free. You can like fitness. Okay, so you have a fitness range, gym, health, yoga, or something like that. You can download some 5 to 10 pictures, okay, and download some 5 to 10 videos and accumulate, collaborate with the editing softwares, and then you can make use of Canva for the editings. You can make use of Pexels for editing stuffs, and you have other softwares where you can edit the stuffs in the videos into one and create a very good thumbnails and then upload it onto the YouTube. And below the descriptions you can provide the information to an affiliate offer from the ClickBank related to the videos. In that way what happens is you not only have the plenty of views, but also you have plenty of money both with the YouTube, which is AdSense approved. At the same time, you are making from affiliate money also. So in this way, you are making money as quick and as possible in the year 2019. Even if you are a new channel, if you are planning to start up a new channel, it's the right time for you to start your channel and do as what I said. All right, so you just need to use the common attribution, Creative Commons, and download the videos, and you have to use little information, or you can reuse those videos by uploading it with beautiful thumbnails, and boom, you make a lot of money over here. Thank you so much for watching this video, and if you like this video, just subscribe to my channel so that you get plenty of information. You can get plenty of information on how you make money online on an everyday daily basis. You can see I make videos on a daily basis, every day new videos. So subscribe the button to my channel to get a lot more of information on how to make money online easy way in the year 2019. Thank you so much.